Good morning, Mr. Loblaw. Please, call me Bob. I know I just started at the firm, but I am afraid I have already run into an ethical dilemma. I figured that since you have been showing me the ropes so far, you could advise me with this situation. Not only would I be happy to help, but I have a duty to. Surely you remember the rules of professional conduct that you studied not too long ago in law school, don't you? Yeah. I might be a little fuzzy on some of them. Well, Rule 5.1b states that a lawyer having direct supervisory authority over another lawyer shall make reasonable efforts to ensure that the other lawyer conforms to the rules of professional conduct. Right. I knew that. That is why I am here. Further, Rule 5.1c states that a lawyer shall be responsible for another lawyer's violation of the rules of professional conduct if either the lawyer orders or, with knowledge of the specific conduct, ratifies the conduct involved. It is all coming back to me now. Go on. A lawyer shall also be responsible if the lawyer is a partner or has comparable managerial authority in the law firm in which the other lawyer practices, or has direct supervisory authority over the other lawyer, and knows of the conduct at a time when its consequences can be avoided or mitigated but fails to take reasonable remedial action. You have all that memorized. That is amazing. Yes, it is. So what was your dilemma? The other day, a partner at the firm asked me to go down to the hospital after work and hand out his business cards to the patients in the emergency room. He said it would be obvious which cases would result in a no-brainer settlement. That sort of solicitation is certainly in violation of the rules of professional conduct. I must say that I am disappointed to hear that my partner has stooped so low. According to Rule 5.1a, there is more. A partner in a law firm, and a lawyer who individually or together with other lawyers possesses comparable managerial authority in a law firm, shall make reasonable efforts to ensure that the firm has in effect measures giving reasonable assurance that all lawyers in the firm conform to the rules of professional conduct. You have an uncanny ability to recite these rules verbatim, but I am just a little overwhelmed. Can you sum them up in a sentence or two, please? I bet you got all of your case briefs online and used other people's outlines for the exams in law school, didn't you? In a nutshell, all lawyers in a firm have the responsibility to make sure that everyone working at the firm upholds the rules of professional conduct at all times. If they see or know of any violations, they must take whatever steps are necessary to remedy or mitigate the situation. Otherwise they themselves may be held responsible for their co-workers' actions. So did I do the right thing by telling you this? Yes, you did, and I appreciate it. Now I will do my part and speak with my partner about his actions. It seems that he could use a refresher on the rules of professional conduct also. Great. So I don't have to go hang out at the hospital tonight. No, you don't. You may resume your typical duties. Feel free to stop by and speak with me anytime you have questions or concerns, and I will do my best to guide you. Thanks, Bob. You are welcome. Have a good afternoon. Good day, sir.